So here I am on a SharePoint site, and this is a team site template that's been applied. So this is very useful and productive for team environments where you'd like to have different announcements, different calendar items, and different links that you might want to share across the team. So out of the box, you'll notice that this template has not been customized, and this is what you'll see without making any modifications. Now I can add new announcements, new events, and new links, and I can also go in and add different types of documents. So we'll come and look at these different items and work through these in just a moment. So let's go ahead and add a new announcement. Let's say that our team is having a holiday party, and we would like to go in and make sure everybody knows about it so we don't have to send out an email to everybody necessarily. So we'll go ahead and add a title, and we'll just call it Holiday Party. And then we can set this when this expires. Now this is a really nice feature of SharePoint because oftentimes data will get stale inside of an application and it doesn't get removed, and then when people search on it they're not sure if it's current or not. So let's go ahead and we will go in and we'll enter a expiration. So we're having a quick holiday party, and now an end user can come to our team site, click on the holiday party, and get more information about that. Now I could have obviously added information into here if I wanted about details, and so we can come in and edit that item as well. We'll go ahead and say we're meeting at the club, and you'll notice that I have a full text editor available to me, so I can do simple things like bolding, italics, and underline. And we'll go ahead and hit OK, which will simply modify our meeting. So now we have more information about it. Likewise on the calendar, an end user can come in from my team and they can add a particular calendar event. Now we just announced a holiday party, but maybe we want to come in and actually add the official information as an event because people might want to link this into their personal Outlook calendar. So we'll say the club, and we could go ahead and put in different times here on when it starts and ends. We'll say we're going to go on the 18th, and we'll meet at 5 p.m. And we'll say we're going to stay till 9 p.m. And we'd like everybody to bring a gift. All right, I can also come in and say if I'd like this meeting to be a recurring meeting. If I'd like to hook this into a meeting workspace, I could also do that and invite different attendees as well. We're going to go ahead and say that it's just useful for my particular team. Now another nice feature that you'll see right off the bat here that's not normally available on a standard website is spell checking. So I can actually come in and do spell checking against what I'm typing, and that allows me to be a little more professional and be able to type quick but still catch errors, which in a standard web application you don't have, of course. So let's go ahead and hit OK. So now we've added a new calendar item, you can see, into our page. Now I can also go in and add simple things like links. If I had an external site I wanted to go to, we can add a new link in, give it the path to that particular site, give it a description, and say why that site might be useful to my team. So let's say that we'd like just to have a link over to Microsoft information. We could just put Microsoft.com, and we'll put useful information about Microsoft. And likewise, a new link will show up here. So you can see that out of the box we can very easily add announcements, calendar items, and links without having to wait on a developer to actually set up the site for us.